making marble runs.
3rd through 6th grade students at Plover-Whiting today are participating in a surprise event. When we revealed that their task today was marble runs, they were super excited.
This provides our students with the opportunity to have hands-on learning, which enhances their critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and also provides an opportunity for our students to do what they love to do most, and that's play together, learn together.
We have to build them on our own with cardboard, tinfoil, and tape, and we're put into groups. Teamwork is always like the best option to work together.
You have to be really creative, and you really have to think about what you're doing.
Sometimes it won't always work, and the main part is never give up.
Right now our kids are having an awesome time. You can hear it in the background. They're really loving this opportunity.
My favorite part was cutting the cardboard with that saw. My favorite part is probably working with my friends and trying to figure out which way the marbles can run and can't run.
My favorite part is being able to show my creativity and working with my friends.
This program is wonderful for helping our kids enhance their learning abilities and working together.
Through the Sentry Insurance Foundation Innovative Grant, we were able to purchase tools for today's success.
I just want to thank Sentry for this amazing opportunity for our students. Thank you for this donation, and I can't wait to see what happens in the future for our students.
Thank you.